Hi everybody, this is Mirav, and today I'm going to teach you how to add a floating ad to iJoomla Ad Agency. A floating ad is basically a lot like a pop-up, but it doesn't have that browser window, and therefore it doesn't get blocked by browsers. So it's really cool. So let's take a look. The first thing you need to do, you need to go and make sure that you have a zone, at least one zone that supports this kind of ad. So if we go to zones, you can see that we already have a default zone here called floating transitions and pop-ups. And if you click on add details, you can see that it does support a floating ad. You see it's checked right next to it. So this is good. We are all set here. So if you want to add a floating ad, you just need to click under add new ads. You need to click on floating and give it a good descriptive title, floating iJoomla SEO, and then I'm going to select the advertiser, and you want it to be approved so it will show on the front end. And here you can enter keywords if you want to, but you don't have to. Keywords if you want to show this floating ad only on pages with specific keywords. If you do want to do that, make sure that you go back to the zone and activate keywords there as well. On properties, this is where you enter the size of the floating. I'm going to enter just 300 by 300, but you can enter anything you want. And let's give it a good border. I like a thick border, and I like the border color to be very light. So this is a light gray, or you can make it even a little less light. And the background color is white. And I'm going to choose once a week, but for the demonstrations only, I'm going to choose every time just to show you. And here you can choose the position of the ad. You can see that from the top is 288 and from the left is 459 by default. You can change it to anything you want, just these two values. You can enter either these two values or these two values, bottom and right. So decide how you want it to be and enter the values there. Here you can enter, this is where you create your floating ad, and you can enter anything you want here. You can have HTML ready and copy and paste it into the HTML editor, or you can just start typing whatever you want. So I'm going to just do that for now. It's not going to look as pretty, but it's okay just for demonstration. For example, iJoomla SEO is a great extension, and I'm going to give it some parameters like that, and I'm going to enter some link here. Just treat it as if it was any HTML editor. Enter whatever you want here, give it some volume. You can enter bigger images and more text, more description. And what I'm going to do next is on location, if you want to add countries and cities specific to show this ad, you can do that, but you have to upload the geo-targeting database. Just click here for more instructions. On the campaign, I'm going to choose the only campaign that I have for this advertiser that supports floating transition and pop-ups, and I'm going to click apply. And let's take a look at the front end. So this is how it looks like on the front end. It looks pretty good. I would go and make more changes and make it more appealing and give it some volume. And you can see the border is looking pretty nice. Make sure that it's aligned to the top, or give it more volume, or make it smaller. Make it look nicer. And this is the floating ad. Very simple. So this is it about how to add floating ads. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.